What's up, guys? Stevie Diamond Hands here, Trading System Simplified. As always, if you enjoy making money and you like premium education, and if you find value in this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button and comment what tickers you want me to chart next. Now, as always, my bread and butter, SPY. So what I'm looking at here on SPY is the last week we carved this lower high. So ideally I am a little bit more bearish, especially after we rejected this gap fill here. So one of my game plans and kind of something I'm going to be looking at going into this week is to essentially climb back up to this 449.70 to 450.70 and reject back down. We have plenty of room if we reject this level back down to 445 and 443. Now, another thing potentially I'll be looking at based on price action is if we can get under this 443 to 442.70, we have room into 440 and 437. Now, next on my watch list is Tesla. Not really much going on this past week. We are continuing to move up, but what you're seeing here is price action is getting tighter and tighter. And me personally, I don't want to trade inside of this range. I'm going to stay away from it. I'm going to either look for a bounce at this 244, 243 area or a reject at this 257.7 to 258, 259 area. But ideally, if we could get above 264.8, I think we have plenty of room into 268.83, and below 240.70 we have plenty of room down into this 235 and ultimately into this 229 range. Meta, not really liking this chart. Super choppy, super range bound. But ideally, I think if we can get over this 301.2 area, we have room up into 305 and 307 again. And under 292.2, we can potentially see this 289 area. And under that, I mean, we have plenty of room into 284. One of the more key tickers on my watch list for the week is going to be Google. And the reason being is we kind of have this bull flag that we've been breaking out of. Now, I'm not a huge patterns guy, but I do focus on flags and triangles. Now, we broke out of this with some pretty good volume. So ideally, I would like to come up and retest this 138.4. If we reject that, I'm probably not going to play back into this choppiness. But if we get over that, we have a gap to fill starting from 130.8 all the way into 141. And then, of course, under 134, we have plenty of room down into this 132 and, 130 area. And then under 130, we have plenty of room down to 127.79. That is my watch list for the week. Comment below if there's any other tickers you want me to chart. Mark these levels, and let's see how they play out.